Mercedes-Benz offers a favorites menu, so you can sort up to 20 vehicle features, such as your favorite massage program, ambient light settings, or frequently used addresses like home or work. To access the favorites menu, press the home button and scroll down to select and view favorites. There are several predefined favorites, and you can add more or replace the pre-selected functions depending on your preferences. You can save favorites either in the menu by choosing New Favorite and making your selections from there, or by using the long press feature to save an address. Go to the navigation map and pull up the address you'd like to save. Long press the Home button for 2 seconds, then move the address into the desired position in the Favorites menu. You can also rename the address however you like. To save your dashboard display styles, go to the Favorites menu, select New Entry, and then System Settings. Then choose Sport, Classic, or Progressive in display styles. Your Mercedes-Benz can keep you comfortable by recalling massage settings too. You can rename, move, or delete favorites by toggling down to display the sub-menu. Customize your favorites to fit your personal style. Mercedes-Benz makes it easy to access what you want whenever you want.